Hey guys, welcome to Creativity and Inspiration. I'm Lisa. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new, we're so happy you found us. Welcome. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. Today I thought I would do something fun. As you probably know by now, if you watched the video before this one, we are moving. Currently, probably on the road moving. And I thought I would share with you kind of what I pack for a crafting travel bag. So let's just jump into this because it's super fun, and yeah, let's get started. So as if you watch my art channel, which I'm actually going to combine with this channel because art and creativity inspiration, they all go the same, and having 3 channels is a little much. So I'm going to combine art and creativity into this one and then my vlog channel. But anyway, I'm an artist, and you always have the need to draw or paint something, right? But when you're traveling, it's hard. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some of these small little 5x5 canvases with me. I'm taking 3 of those. Then I'm going to take this little, I think this is 5x7 or 4x6. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little 5x7 canvas. I'm going to take that. And then I'm going to take these ready cut watercolor papers, and they're also 3x7. So I'm taking that. Oh, and I'm going to take 3 5x7 little flat panel canvases and 3 of these 5x5s and the watercolor paper. Because not only for traveling, but once we get there until our stuff arrives. Then I'm going to take this set of watercolor paints that I got for Christmas. It's a really fancy set. It's really cute. And I shared this in what I got for Christmas, I believe. And I'm also going to take this acrylic paint set because I am a big acrylic paint user. So this is going to go in one bag, and if I don't feel like painting in the evening, it'll stay in the vehicle. If I do feel like painting, it will go inside with me. Now, if I don't feel like painting, but I want to create maybe a paper craft, a journal, or something like that, I've put together this tub. And of course, this one's the bigger one. Let me move the camera down a little bit. Okay, this one is the bigger one. I'm thinking maybe a cooking journal. So I just grabbed a pack and some paper, scrapbook paper, like a vintage cooking. And then in here, I have this cover that I got a long time ago in a flow journal swap. And it's like, it was vintage kitchen. And I just kind of love this. And I want to use it. So that's kind of the theme I decided to go with. And let's do the top first. It's like a little pull-out tray. And in here, first I have like my little cup for my water for my painting. And then everything else is for paper crafting. I have this glue. I have some blank tags and stuff up here. Oh, I do have a little paint tray too. So I have some paper tags and stuff. I have glue. I have double-sided tape. I have a needle, and I have my wax thread in here. I have some ink and my dauber so I can ink my pages. I have my corner rounder. I have washi tape so I can decorate my calendar weeks till I get all my stuff. I have a couple more colors of acrylic paint. They're taped down. And just some odds and ends paper. I have these, and I have my wax thread, like I said. Then you come in here, and I just have some vintage recipes to use in that vintage recipe journal. I brought this in case I wanted to make a different kind of little journal, and this one's way small. And then I just have odds and end papers, some recipe cards, just different things that would definitely go into a recipe journal. I have these pages that wouldn't fit, but I would bring them for inspiration maybe, or cut them down to fit in this journal. I have some tags that came with the original flow journal. These tags came with the original flow journal in the swap. They're just some fun kitchen themed. No, but it should stay up to date. I just was unplugging everything. I unplugged And there's just a lot of papers in here and coffee stain papers. Just everything to make a journal is in here. So this is what I take as a travel crafting bag stuff. So I'm pretty excited. And if I don't use this on the road trip, I'll definitely use it once we get there because I'll be bored. I'm sure all of you understand that. When you travel and you don't have your crafting stuff, you get bored. So I'm going to take this and be super ready to paint or to craft. And I'm also taking, of course, my camera, the one you're on, and I have a vlog camera, old-fashioned handheld camcorder type one that I'm going to take too. I'm going to take photos, so I will be busy because I'm also a photographer as well as an artist. And I have the urge to take pictures all the time. Okay, there we go. I am locked and loaded and ready to go. So guys, that's what I pack in my travel my travel bag, my travel case, really. I take a little art, I take a little paper crafting, and I always take my cameras. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button with that little bell because there's lots more videos coming. We're going to have old house, new house, empty tours. We're going to have new crafting space. We're going to set it up, plus crafting on the road, photos, and everything else. So don't miss out. Oh, and all the videos have been pre-recorded, so I hope you like them. If you missed one, please go back and watch it. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment because it always helps me out. Thanks again, guys. Bye.